Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're only but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Airbnb and Jamaica. As you guys know, when we go to Jamaica, most of the times we stay in Airbnbs because it's convenient and it's just a nice thing. But no, them want tax off the Airbnb them. Jamaicans can't make no money without the government trying to interfere and get to them share when them already a thief enough of taxpayers' money already. But I digress. Let's get into this video. And it says Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett is retreating that there are no discussions being held about taxing local Airbnb providers. Airbnb is an online marketplace which allows people to rent their properties or spare rooms to guests. The response from Bartlett follows recent reports that the government is gearing up to tax the group of small-scale Jamaican property owners or operators. Bartlett has, however, indicated that there has been discussions about the administrative charge to be applied to Airbnb, which will be paid to the government. He said this should have no impact on the bottom line of local operators. Additionally, the charge will go towards helping small tourism players throughout the marketing of their services and enhance destination assurance across the board, said the minister. In December of 2016, a memorandum of understanding was signed by Jamaican Tourism Board and Airbnb to establish a framework for cooperation to further boost and diversify Jamaican tourism product. Bartlett, along with other local tourism officials, met the leadership team of the Airbnb in August of 2017 at their San Francisco, California headquarters. Honestly, the convenience of having Airbnb when we go to Jamaica is amazing. When we go to Jamaica, we rent a whole house because we like to cook our own meals, and we tend to only visit particular restaurant that we really want to go to or really want to try when we go, because we're always traveling and we like to try out different restaurants in different parishes. But to have a whole house to yourself and it's clean and it has a kitchen is amazing for Jamaicans that don't want to go get cooped up in a hotel and feel like you have to stay in a hotel and you can't tour Jamaica and get out the walls of the hotels. And most Jamaicans, when they go to Jamaica, they either stay with family members or they have their own houses in Jamaica. So it's great for Jamaicans that don't have a house in Jamaica or just want to stay somewhere else or a different parish. So it's very good for them to be talking about adding administrative tax. All that means is the prices of these Airbnbs are going to go up because they're going to have to pay the government now a particular amount. And quite honestly, it's tiresome. It's very tiresome to talk about Jamaica government because they do the same thing over and over and over and over. There was a whole scandal with them and the hotels paying money to Jamaican government. I'll insert that video somewhere in this video or in the description box. There was a whole scandal of them taking money from people that are actually coming from Jamaica as tax, and they're taking it for themselves. I'll insert that video in the description box or in somewhere in this video. It's always something with money driven with our government. They always need to be taken from the little man or taken from the person that's coming to come visit Jamaica. Like, it's honestly sickening and tiresome. They're money hungry, money driven, and that's all that is. People that have their house that's living overseas that actually want to get an income from their house, they rent out their houses on Airbnb, and now they're going to get taxed. People that actually live in Jamaica and have a nice house and probably multiple houses in different parish, rent out them house on Airbnb and get additional cash. So you're trying to tax the liquor man when you have how many hundreds of big top of the line hotels where you can tax, but you want to tax the liquor Jamaican residents that are trying to garner additional income because our economy is so unstable and is not providing them jobs. No matter what them do for make liquor extra cash, you guys try to come and take yours. So honestly, I don't know how it's going to go. I'm gonna look and see if the prices are going to increase, because we're probably gonna go to Jamaica again and we're probably gonna stay in an Airbnb again. But I'll tell you guys and I'll let you guys know if the prices increase from 2 times that we went this year. And we stayed in 2 different Airbnbs and they were all worth it. They were all great. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think this is just another scheme, another way for Jamaican government to take money? So tell me in the comments, do you think that this is just another scheme, another way for Jamaican government to make money off people, Jamaican residents? Do you think that this tax is warranted? Do you think that this tax is needed because they're getting money from the plane fare, them getting money from the transportation if they rent a car? Like, do you think that this is actually needed to tax these people who are renting to others? Do you think this is them being money hungry and that's why they're doing this? Or do you think it's because the predominantly luxurious hotels in Jamaica are getting taxed and they feel some type of way that Airbnb is in Jamaica and people are making hundreds of dollars per week renting out Airbnbs and they're not getting taxed? So they're putting a screw in the government to actually tax Airbnb operators. Do you think it's because of pressure from other hotels? Do you think it's because it's the Jamaican government is money hungry? Do you think it's because they don't like to see regular citizens making money and getting rich off of something them can't get rich off of? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.